A light that won't turn off with a switch can be caused by several issues, including a tripped breaker, faulty circuit wire connections, or a defective switch. To resolve this problem, start by checking the breaker box. Open the electrical service panel and look for any tripped switches. Then reset them and turn off the light switch. If the light remains on, the next step is to inspect the wire connections. To do this, power off the electrical service panel, open the light switch cover, and use a circuit tester to check for any faulty connections. If faulty connections are found, it's best to consult an electrician to fix them. If the issue persists, try replacing the switch. Power off the electrical service panel, reopen the light switch cover, locate the old switch, and replace it with a new, compatible one, ensuring the wires are matched correctly. After replacing the switch, power on the electrical service panel and turn off the light. If the problem still exists, it may be necessary to have a professional diagnose and fix the issue. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a light that won't turn off with a switch. And the process is relatively straightforward.